Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to sell digital products on Wix. So first is you have to open your web browser and then go to your Wix account and then just click on create a new website. Now just click on the online store for this tutorial and then just click on next. And then you just have to wait until you're done preparing your dashboard. Then after that, you will be redirected to this page. Now that you're here, all you have to do is to describe the name of your store. So if you don't want to put a name, then you can simply click on the skip button or you can simply click on next. Now you have to choose from these options and you can also click on skip. But here, what would you like to sell? It is very important. Now you just have to select the digital products since that is what we are going to sell on this website. Now just click on next. So here, where would you like to sell? Online store, my mobile app, or in person? So you can select any of this. So for this video, I'm just going to select the online store. And then after that, just click on the continue to dashboard. Okay, so you just have to wait for a few seconds and then you'll be able to see this page. Now that you're here, all you have to do is to click on the catalog option from the left options. So this one, and then select the store products and then click on the products. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds again. Then now that you're here, you just have to create a new product. So just click on the new product option and then click on the digital file. Okay, so for this tutorial, I am going to sell an ebook. So I'm going also to teach you where did I download it. So here you can upload the digital file that you want to sell. So for example, I am going to upload an ebook from pdf.com. So here you'd be able to download free ebooks that you can sell. So just go to pdfdrive.com and here you can see different options that you can download and sell, or you can also search for specific ebooks that you want to sell. So for example, I want to download and sell this one. So here you can click on preview or download. And then after downloading, you just have to locate or put it in a folder. We can find it easily. And then after downloading, just go back to wix.com and then you just have to click on the upload file. Okay, here you'd be able to see four different options. So the first one is image. So select what kind of digital file you want it to upload. You can upload your audio file, document, and then a zip file. So for this video, I am going to sell a zip file. So just click on it and then click on upload file. Now just click on upload media. Okay, and then now just click on upload it from computer. So we are going to locate the file that we have downloaded from a pdfdrive.com. So let me just locate the file. Then after locating the file, all you have to do is to click on open. And now that the file is here, you have an options right here at the right side. Actions, you can go to actions button, you can add tags or you can add file info. So if you want to add tags, just simply click on tags and then click on add tags. You can also see the file information and then click on add to product. Okay, so when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here the customers will receive links to download their digital products in the thank you page of the checked out, along with an email link that will last for 30 days. So here when you scroll down, you'll be able to see basic information. So the name of the product. So to do that, just go back to pdfdrive.com, then just copy and paste the name of the product. So just click on copy and then you just have to paste it here. And then here for the description. So if you want to add any description according or related to the product, so you just have to type it out here. You can simply go back to pdfdrive.com and then simply copy a short description from pdfdrive.com. And then you have to paste it to the description of the product. So for example, this one. So let me just copy this, then paste it here in the description section. Okay, so now that you're done, just scroll down and here you can add a cover for your digital product. So see, for example, you can simply add a image or a videos. So for this video, I am going to select the image. So first, I am going to download the cover of the product. So here it is. So let me just right click this one and then just click on the save image as, and then just go ahead and choose your folder to save the image to. Okay, now that you've done that, now go back here and then click on add image and then click on upload media. Then click on the upload from computer. And then once you've done that, you just have to locate the folder and then select the image that you have downloaded. So let me just find the image. Okay, so let me just screw up and here is the image. Now you just have to select it and then click on open. Then you just have to wait until it will be uploaded completely. Then once you've done that, you just have to select the image. And when you do that, you'd be able to see here actions. So when you click on the crop and edit, you'd be able to crop and edit the image. Okay, so after that, you also have the adjust. You can adjust the filter of the image, the brightness, the contrast, and etc. And also have create a video if you want to, or cut out the background, or edit with the Adobe Express. You also have tags and file information. So once you finalize everything, just click on add to page. And then as you can see, we have now our cover page for this one. Now for the additional sections, share information like file format and file license with your customers. So you can also add an info section right here. So you just have to click on it. Now in the pricing area, just have to click on the pricing. So for example, I am going to sell this product for 1,000 peso. So this is equivalent to $20. Or you can click on the on sale if you want to sell it on sale. You can put in a discount or a sale price. From here, you can see the cost of goods, so you can estimate your profit. So let's say, for example, it cost me how many peso to make, and I am selling it for $1,000. So you can see the work out the profit. So I'll be making around maybe peso, 1,000 peso each item that is sold, and that will work out to a maybe 97% of the profit. Then you scroll down, and from here you can select if you would like to track the inventory, and you can see you will select the status and then status tag. After and they're finished, you'll tap on the save button. Okay, now that you're here, you just have to delete all of this default products, and then just simply click on the box icon beside each product, and then from the top just click on the more actions. When you do that, you'll be able to see the delete option. So just click on it and then click on delete to confirm your actions. Now your product is the only one left here. Now you just have to click on home. Okay, and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. From here, you just have to click on the design site. Okay, this one. And then here, how would you like to design your website? So just click on, you just have to pick a template. Okay, and then you'll be able to see different template that is related to your product. So see, for example, I want to use this template, the third one. You just have to click on edit, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds. Then after that, you'd be able to see how your current website looks. And then from here at the left side, you'd be able to see different options: the add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So for the add elements, whenever you click on this one, you'd be able to see bunch of options. Okay, you have text, image, button, strip, decorative, backs, gallery, menu, and anchor. So see, for example, if you are going to click on it, you'll be able to add elements. So here in the section, when you click on the add section, you'd be able to see here different options as well. The next one is the site pages and menu. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here the site menu that is on your website. So see, for example, if you want to add more, you just have to simply click on the add menu item. Then you'd be able to see, choose your icon and then the description of your site menu. So let me show you how the shop page looks. So I'll select the shop page right here so you can see how the PDF looks on my website. So after selecting the shop page, you can see here now that the page in the background has changed. And by scrolling down, you can see the PDF right here. So this is the PDF that you can also see the price that had set right here. And if I wanted to make any changes and edit, so anything, just have to simply click on the products. Okay, so when you do that, you'd be able to see the pencil icon that is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. So you can simply click on it. And then once you've clicked on the pencil icon, you'd be able to edit the product. Okay, now right here on the content, when you click on the background, you have an option to change the color, or you want to change the image of the background. So you have options where you can change the color, the image, as well as video. So for this example, maybe I'm just going to change the color of the background. So I'm going to use this dark gray color. And once you've done that, you also have here selected backgrounds. If you want it, just simply click on it. Now, if you want to add an image, just click on image and then you'll be able to upload your own image. Here in the layout, so here you can also add a section if you want to add a layout. Here in the category page, you can manage the products or go to the settings. Okay, so for example, I want to go to the settings, and here you'll be able to see the category page, the what's displayed on this website. So you can simply click on if you want to display the description, the image, name and price of the provider. You also have here the layout, tags, design, filters, list, sorting, quick view, manage. So after finalizing everything, you can simply click on the X icon. Okay, and then once you've completely finished setting up your digital products, so as you can see, I have here now the description. I also have the title as well as the price of the product. After that, you can simply click on the publish option, and that's it. That's how you can simply sell digital products on Wix. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.